Hi Professor Vishal this side, and here I am presenting my ICE2. So here is my code and all. Here is my display of the Android Studio as I am directly running my application for the first. So it takes time. So till then I will open my logcat as well. So and here I already created the logcat and I delete all the things. Now my application is running. So once it's done, I will share all the things with you. So here is my emulator, as you can see over here. Uh, so this will say right now it's a Hello Vishal, and whenever I click my button, it goes to the Hello Vishal as well. And the second time, it also the comes to the Hello Vishal Chowda. So now for the first button, click my button, it's toggling. So the first condition of yours is done, and now I'm also showing you try me. So once I press the try me, it's also says it's a goodbye, and again it's a hello Vishal Chawda. So whenever I press, it's toggling. So both the buttons are working perfectly with that. And on the next step, I want to demonstrate to log. So for that, I open the quiet log, and here are the movements. So as you will see, here is the click me button click and the new button is click. So each and every time when I click the button, it shows me these things. So whenever I click the new button, it shows me new button click, it click me button. So here is the message. So you will see that as well. So now I will explain you my code. So for the code, here are the I'm using the binding for that. So the same thing, I create the variable of the hello world, the old overall stuff. And right now I created the variable for the click me button as well, as you teach us on the lecture. As the same, I set the click listener button as click listener set as well. So and the log I, so you will be seeing my message. I also created the function which is a share button handler, so which will be create both of my functions, like both of the event handlers. And I created the new button. So for the new button, it's a variable for that as well, quick listener, log, and the function. So for the toggling thing, I just in my function I created if the if I want to toggle, like it's a function, and here I created the one variable which is a private, and want to toggle, it's I become a true. So every time once I wanna print the goodbye, then once I it just toggle, if else then it shows me hello Vishal. So I just use the if else condition, and here is my closing statement as well. So thank you so much sir for this, and here I am closing my video. Oh, sorry. There is one more thing which I didn't accept. So here's my activity man as well. For that, as you say, we need to do a different layout. So in my main, there is a constraint layout as you see. Once I hovering over here, then I also use the linear layout horizontal and the linear layout vertical on that as well. And on my linear layout horizontal there is a click me button, and the linear layout vertical, my new button is in that. So it all for me it's also a grid right now. So I created them for that thing to manage the buttons position. I use the margin. So I place the buttons position on the margin. So here now I am ending my ICE2. Thank you so much for that.